Let's write a visit to my village. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Horses, village, cat, dogs, milk, kittens, hay, pond, grandmother, cow, cock, hen. In June, we went to a dash. Where my dash lives, she has a farm. On her farm, there are many animals. There are two dash, a dash with its dash, three dash, one dash as well as a dash, and a dash. Every morning, she feeds her animals with dash or dash. They drink milk, they drink water from a dash on the farm. Composition corner. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Lines, flowers, buzz, to, bee, buzzed. This is a dash. It has dash on its wings. It has dash antennas. It buzzes round the dash. It dash and came to the zoo. Let's do. Help the bee to reach its home. What are the things that it met on the way? That rhymes with bee. The halare tigo samzura. The dear tier the caricola tier do yinsi lanare. A visit to my village. Ngaragi tronsela ani doas ra temaji doa ra a visit la temaji doa ra temaji doa there's the qualche. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Ra tripshina yo petsi vinzo pijiche. Pardon zo conscious. Pardon atsi tinzo anzo kotsechra. Horses lana tamambuch. Village lana tromba tromse. Cat lana shimi. Dogs lana kimambu ra. Milk lana oma. Kittens lana shibtu. Shimi chunchu ra. Hay lad tsadan dindil lagi samsanzo. Pajil tsate. Nikam shayanzo. Dindil hay che. Pond lana tanda chukildi ra. Dinditis chimbudu. Chardukasta dindila pond. Should kill the handilla ponds. Then grandmother, mumolache, cow, rush, pajuche, cock lana, chade poisms, hen lana chade moro. That was dead. Then padon gang. In June, we went to the Parlahardu village. And so June lana kare, and capital tida, or proper noun, the Samasan Bashache, June lana, Jinda Tupaimpa. Tuba nala, jinda tuba nala manzo, ani tromba nala drawings, tronsage la drawings, where the dear tronsage callare, where my momola grandmother lives. Dear ni momola de se tronsage la drawing la tenda kokota, where la di kawala, the chiwaki o matanda lara, ni momola de se le juranza mondilla, de se tronsage la drawings. She has a farm, monala ani shinga yoris. On her farm, there are many animals. That handad la shingal kome. Chirachidang farm la di shingal la kochore. Yan chik paju sokwa susu paju nyan dida. Dindila koju simje dindila farm la. So handad la koju simje la koda. Kare wat simjiltana. On her farm, there are many animals. Moran yeda koju simje ki sosa dila nere ta di takpo dinala. Koran gora dinala. Dine kare yore simje pe mambo yores. There are two horses. Ra tani yoris. Dine de la kadikardo shimirto. Ra a cat with its kittens. Ra shimishi yore dinyamdala koranki its lede koranki ra koranki shimchudunso. Ra 3 dogs. Ra kisumche. 1 hen. Ra di shadimora. 1 hen as well as a cock. Ra dinashingi because the young ladra as well as the young chadi moshi yore chad shingi pushe yores rather than as well as lad and a cow shin pajushi. Every morning she feeds her animals with hay ra korani nyata shoba da barshi ani korani morangi karda simjenzula kala tires kari tire kala die ani hay tires with hay le de kari giti badi with the ko ra nyamdo le me ache kari giti badi di ko adi le ra or kare milk rayana shimridenzula ko womati ra yana womati res. They drink water from a pond ra this simjenzu chudi kane dongulana ani pond ne dongures ra chukilde on the farm they are korangi karisajati digangla yeshakyu ra koran rawad na yeshakyu dine composition corner the composition lady zomi la kora the composition lady chikchom bala kor jazum chiwat ra diche corner lady da sulainda ta corner lady ta zum sa inda lejra zum sa sajat la inda le ro dile la kora chidang corner na sud la kora diche look at the picture and fill in the blanks ta pari lata che ni pardon ko shwas radina na lines le ti pardon dikasa ti la kora flowers la na di medo dine burst la na da di drama zo ke sta burst zan la sta di la kora di ke gyat tu ni che bi la na drama la che ra di ke la ko drama ke this is a karre b yana ra alla flowers la rumara ani chatsi di mitsi di mash mendo b mash so this is a b it has career gonna call tik do so it has lines on its wings koran ye shopa ganla ti yores ra it has ani khajure 2 antennas antenna lana di sotuye di rajo roja kola ra it has 2 antennas it buzzes round the flowers ra kokare medogi surde yela ko buzzes sigres kegigres it buzzes and khalas chigni sumshima tuk tarada two has lines has flowers has bees has the buzzes ni yusra it buzzes and came to zoo Qur'ani burst it burst and came to zoo Qur'ata ke gya che ani khare thamadra ani zoo le lesumus ra cheze khan lesumus ra then let's do that was chivos la chi lanare tsemuse endero help a bee to reach its home ani dila ko kharsa ramad la ro chi shoas Qur'an nang la jorela ko nang de sa to ko dele yo chera ta di nang la yumela ro chi shoas what are the things that it met on the way that rhymes with bee and chala khari Qur'an thugudus it le the bila kora ko simjena ra it thugudus Qur'an thugud kare on the way la na lamgala thugudus die ani chala thuye di khare da dore bee da ra rhyme la di da doi ni ra ta na zo ta wa di khar da bee gi da do ki do ra ki ko ni rhyme do tree do the tree la da do che ne di khar do nga thomas tinga ko bas beans da di ra beans di rhyme shra dom da ra tree da ki ni do che ne di tea sara chai ba cha so wa na tea la na ko ni da do cha sa tree ki tea bean do me che ra di temar do ra pi